Unit 1. We and our surroundings. Chapter number 1. Living and non-living things. You must have seen many things around you. These things are mainly of two types. These are living, non-living. They can also be categorized into natural and artificial. Living things. Human beings, animals, birds, and plants are called living things. They are full of life. Non-living things. Things like rocks, soil, water, air, coal, bus, car, etc. are called non-living things. They have no life. Features of living things. Living things possess various features. Movement. All the living things show the characteristics of movement. Living things can move from one place to another. This is called behavioral quality. Movement in animals and human beings is possible with the help of legs. Fishes do not possess legs. They swim with the help of their fins. Wings make it possible for birds to fly. There are several reasons for which movement is done. These reasons are food, shelter, and protection. Plants also exhibit movement. Flowers and leaves usually show movement towards the sunlight. The leaves and petals of various flowering plants open and close with the sunrise and the sunset. The peachal plant also exhibits movement whenever any insect sits on it. It closes its mouth instantly. Thus, it can be said that all living things show movement some way or the other. But the non-living things do not exhibit movement as they are lifeless and do not have any requirements to fulfill. Growth. Growth is another important characteristic of living things. It is the characteristic that is found in all living things. When you were born, you were a small baby. Then, gradually, you grow into a child, then an adult, and then into an old person. This phenomenon of growing every day is called growth. Plants and animals also grow to become adults. They also grow in size and shape. Plants grow very slowly. For example, seed grows very slowly. Seed grows into a small plant in a few days. Then, small plant takes a long time to become a tree. The non-living things do not show growth. They remain same in shape and size throughout their life. Breathing. All living things breathe air containing oxygen and CO2. This phenomenon is called respiration. In respiration, oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is given out. Animals, most of them, and humans respire with the help of their nose. Insects breathe through holes in their body. Fishes breathe with the help of gills. Humans breathe in oxygen and breathe out CO2. On the other hand, plants breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. Feeding. Food is the basic need of the body. It is very essential for energy and growth. Humans and animals get their food from plants and small creatures. They eat food with the help of their mouth. Plants make their own food in the presence of water, air, sunlight, and the green pigment called chlorophyll present in plant leaves. This phenomenon is known as photosynthesis. Non-living things do not need food for their survival. Feeling. All living things possess feelings. They become happy, sad, angry, or excited at times. Humans and animals use their sense organs to know about their surroundings and react to stimulus accordingly. When hot things come in contact with hand, people react by pulling hand back. We smile and laugh when we feel happy. We weep when we feel sad. Animals can also sense situations. Touch an earthworm. It contracts immediately. Plants do not possess well-developed sense organs, but they react. For example, touch me not. Plant closes down as soon as we touch its leaves. Non-living things do not show feelings at all. They are senseless things. Reproduction. Reproduction takes place in all living things to keep their kind alive and known on the earth. This process is known as reproduction, that means to reproduce one's kind. Human beings give birth to baby. Insects, birds and some animals lay eggs. Babies come out of these eggs. Plants also show reproduction. Most plants reproduce with the help of seeds. These seeds develop into big plants. Some plants, beget plants. Non-living things do not multiply in the same way. They are man-made. Things to remember. The world is made of natural and artificial things. There are two types of natural things, living, non-living. Living things show growth and reproduction. Living things breathe, grow, reproduce, and feel their surroundings. Living things can move from one place to another. Non-living things do not have such features.